Everyone, today we are in the Jaipur, which is called the Pink City, and this is called the Hawa Mahal, which is made by the royal kings at that time, and this is appearing very royal after all. We can look at its unique places our own self. The noise is coming because a huge crowd is there. Someone is dancing, someone has come for enjoying the party, and someone is picking up the photo because someone wanted to represent their identity, that they are the very rich man who can have the dare to purchase the tickets of the Hawa Mahal, whose price is approximately near to 50 rupees only for the one man. We two people has come together, so we has after all invested the money near to 100 rupees. So this is called the Hawa Mahal, which is coming in the screen of the camera. So here a lot of the crowd is appearing. Someone is celebrating a party. So these all the students may have come. Probably they may have come for their school festival, any annual fest as well as maybe organized by their school teachers as well as. And few of them has come like a tour, that tour which was also held by the schools or by the colleges as well as. So after all, everyone trying to look at this uniqueness, it's this Mahal's uniqueness. So this is the inside of the Hawa Mahal. You can look at that. This is appearing very old, but after all precious, because old is gold, we know that. So this is appearing very old, and my voice is after all coming back again, reflecting, the voice is reflecting again. Whether I have applied the collar mic as well as, but however the voice is reflecting back here. But this is appearing very unique within itself. So here is the puppet show, which is organized by these all the people, and they will organize the puppet show here for you can look at there as well as they will organize, but you will have to invest the 50 rupees, and I doesn't have a dare to invest there because I don't have also time as well as. This is the time of evening, so lightning is not entering properly. But however, you can look at there that this is the city which is called the Pink City, appearing tiny red, appearing very beautiful within itself. We can look at there that this is something like red, and these all are the windows made by the wood. So these all are the wooden windows. At that time, this is made with this is called that window that made by with the woods. So it is made with the wooden woods, and these all are called a stone, not bricks. This is not made with the bricks, this is made with the stones. Therefore, this is lying till that time, which is very old within itself. So from many time, this is after all appearing very fine, and also this is entirely maintained, and because of having its power, its potential to face such a big structure within itself, because this is made by the stones. We can look at towards the downward from the roof of this Mahals. So this is appearing very beautiful because lightning is also, there is proper lighting. So because of having the proper lighting, its vision is appearing much more beautiful than the lightning of the sun as well as. So we can look, the mountains is also coming in the back side of this Mahal, and this is truly so large. Not only for the human is enjoying this Mahal, but after all these pigeons which lies there, this is their resident place of their residence, so they are also trying to enjoy this Mahal within itself. So these all are the stairs where we are, through which we are going to upward. We wanted to try to lie at the peak, lie our body in the peak. So this is the peak of Hawa Mahal, where I am here. So we can look at the downward that there are the pigeons is appearing, and there is no crowd currently because there is a evening time, so people may went outside from that Mahal, because this Mahal is going to being closed now, and we are at the peak of this Mahal currently. So this is the peak of Hawa Mahal, और इससे ऊपर कुछ नहीं होगा. And I am here in the peak of Hawa Mahal, and the entire and each and everything is appearing lower than this after all.